All right, everybody. All right. Today is everybody hear me? Today is Monday, April 9th, 2018. It has been a little while since I've done a video. So for those who have not watched any of my videos, I do have a bunch of other ones as well. Please like, comment, share this if you find this helpful. Today we're just going to be going over a couple of pairs on the outlook for the week. Like I said, today is Monday, so we're going to kind of see what we have for this week. So first pair I'm going to be looking at is Euro USD daily. Okay. Now with this pair, obviously we've been a little choppy ever since around start of the year. Had a little momentum push up, and now we've kind of been ranging in this monster of an uptrend. So first thing we're going to do is we are simply going to draw some little trend lines to indicate potential of a reversal of some sort. All right, and then if we've studied market formations, we would know that this is a potential flag, right? Bullish flag or bullish pennant, whatever you want to call it. So ideally, what we want to look for is we want to be looking for some type of movement up here. And now when we get up to here, when we get up to this area here, I'm going to hide this area of importance. About 2425 area. When we get up to around here, we either want to see a break or we want to see a bounce back down to this ascending trend line. Okay. Now next, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to draw some higher time fibs. Fibonacci is a big part of my analysis and what type of trades I will take. So on a daily time frame, we had a nice little start to the week. We had a bounce off of this trend line, and now we're pushing up above 38.2. Now, what I would look for is I'd look for any type of potential reversal back down around this 61.8 right here. Okay. Be a nice little interest point. We have a lot of, support resistance there. So we could see a push up here by middle of the week, and then we could see a rejection back down, or we could just see a break right now. Obviously this is like I said, it's in a nice little box. I want to see it break outside of these things either way to indicate potential reversal. But definitely bigger picture, we are like a little consolidating. I definitely want to see some bullish movement though, up to probably, let's see, around this area right here would be my target. Now we're going to go down to a smaller time frame. Okay. I'm trying to see if we have any news going on. See what kind of news we're looking at this week. Tuesday, it's Euro. Could be all right. GBP, a little USD news on Wednesday. So honestly, the move would be to wait until Wednesday. If you are going to trade Euro USD, I would definitely wait and kind of see what's going to happen. We could wick this and come back down to end the week, but definitely watch this. Definitely watch to see what happens. See what happens on Wednesday. We're going to we'll do GBP JPY next. Sorry, 1 second. All right, GJ. Delete all this stuff. All right, next we're gonna mark up some areas. Mark up some quarter points. 150, 152.5. And then we're also going to do 250 pips below, 147.5. And then we're just going to divide this in half. 151.25 and 149. 148. 148.75. So obviously we see, on the daily time frame, we have a nice little uptrend. Obviously, wick this tested 148.75 as well as a bottom moving average after we had a cross around here with a nice little bullish candle, nice little bullish engulfing. I don't see these highs being taken out, so I definitely see a break below. We could drop. I do want to see test this little area right here. Wick some type of, I know I saw we had some GBP news. So we could see a wick above this area, and we could see, drop down below. Because we are in a little bit of a channel right now. So I would like to see, like I said, a retest of here and a break down below and a drop. Let's see on let's draw some fibs. All right, so we see that 61.8 is perfectly right there around 152.25 area. Definitely an area of interest. Depending on what news does later in the week, we could come down later and just test this little trend line as well as these moving averages before continuing up. Let's see what 4 hour looks like. This could be a fake out, just trying to trap some sellers before coming back and going up. Just watching to see what happens. I personally do not trade on Mondays. Typically wait till the middle of the week. We could just be wicking here at this 50% before, like I said, continuing up. But definitely a good pair to watch this week. Because who knows, in reality, typically when you have this would be typically a trap for buyers, as we see, could see a breakout down to the downside to continue our downtrend. Could see 141 area, 140. Obviously, this is a big picture. This is a daily time frame. But I wouldn't be surprised if we saw something like that happen over the course of even the next couple of months. See a retest of 147.5, and then we could continue down. So obviously it's really, really far in advance, but definitely something to keep your eye out for. Let's see what weekly is showing us. Yeah, I'm not really. I see a break of structure on the weekly. It took out this low right here. Now we're coming up to retest around this area. We did have a moving average cross 2-3 months ago. So definitely, my bias on this pair is definitely down. But that's how you make money in the Forex market, just being patient. I'll go, let's see, pair that typically not a lot of people trade. We're going to do Euro NZD. Haven't marked up this pair in a long time, but I want to see kind of what we're looking over here. All right, daily time frame. And now let's mark up these lows. Okay. Definitely we're looking for some downside movement. Just right off the bat, what I'm looking at. Clean wick at 38.2. Could grab this moving average still before dropping us down to 1.65 area. Or even going lower. We could even see, this is a daily time frame. So we could see this eventually 1.65. Definitely something to keep your eyes on. We had a nice little bearish engulfing closure, pushed down. Now we have a nice little retracement. I would wait to go short on this pair until we have a nice little break below these lows and we have kind of a little retest, and then I would short down to 1.65 area. Euro NZD is a nice little pair. It's being a little choppy right now, but it looks like we might have a little breakout. H4. Perfect tap of the 1.69 area. I would not suggest going long on this pair whatsoever. A lot of weakness, which could be good for or bad for the euro, as in our Euro USD analysis going down would definitely help with news later on in the week. We could see a pop of GJ first before dropping, as well as your Euro NZD to drop. A lot of pairs should be dropping this week, I think, but that's all for this video. Just a little short video of my analysis on Euro NZD. Bearish bias for the week. GBP, JPY, I do sense a little bit of a retracement early on to start the week, and then a decline in GJ, and then Euro USD I do see popping up before continuing to drop. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, share this video. I will be doing another one at the end of the week to kind of go over what happened this week. But yeah, until next time, guys, safe trading. Bye.